Hello?
Life with you is sweet.
Is it swag?
It's swag. It's swag, 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 swag.
Cool.
Thank you so much, baby.
So pretty much, I had already planned this like in my head, but I knew like I didn't have like time away from you really. The only time was like, you know, when I work, but I be working, so I can't really do that. So I figured today, ask my coworker Fern if she could take my shift. She said yes. I was like, yeah. I made, so I pre-ordered these when I got my haircut.
Okay.
That day. I pre-ordered them that day. And then I woke up today and Rutilio, my barber, he wanted to go to the gym. So I went to the gym with him in the morning. After that, he dropped me back home. When I got home, I was like, dang, I want to do the heart filter. So I remember you had sent it to me and I was like, dang, I want to do that. But then I stumbled across how to do a heart joint. So I ended up doing both. And that shit took a long time. Like I've never done anything like that ever.
Oh.
So that's pretty cool. I think it'll be pretty cool to smoke, and I think it's, you know, nice little heart.
Yeah,
it
it's
has
perfect.
right there in the filter.
Yes, that's so cool.
So after I finished that maybe like around 12 or 1. And I was still in my workout clothes, like I was in hoodie and shorts and stuff. And I was like, all right, well, I gotta go see if I can find some stuff. So my idea was like, okay, I'm gonna do the little pictures again. So I was like, let me get the pictures of us and stuff. And so I went to CVS and I got, you know, 4 pictures from, you know, different times that we had good memories together. So I printed those out. This was the last box they had at CVS, so I just grabbed it.
I know those things.
So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed the pictures from CVS. And then from CVS, those flowers there, but there wasn't like a good selection, so nothing I liked. So I told myself, damn, I know HEB a far walk, but I'm finna go.
No, you walked to HEB?
All the way.
No, babe,
to
you
HEB.
don't have to do that.
And then once I got to HEB like around 2:30. Oh, and I had bought those for you at work yesterday, those shorts.
I've been wanting these.
Told
yes.
me that you wanted those. I put them to the side, and then when I got my check yesterday, that's why I waited.
Because there was only one
I
of
get
them,
my check. Yeah, I waited to get my check so I
Oh.
can buy those for you.
Yeah, no wonder I was like, babe, why can't we just get it some other day? Like.
Yeah, but after, so I went to HEB, and well, actually, I was in CVS looking for wines first, because I was like, I just stumbled across the wine section, and I was like, oh shit, like that'd be cool. We can just, you know, she's had a rough week. We can really unwind and talk about it. So once I got there, I didn't know what wine to get, so I asked Victoria.
Oh, that's what you called her.
Yeah.
Wait, which Victoria? I'm thinking your sister or Icky.
Yes,
Aww.
Victoria. I asked her, and she gave me some recommendations, but I didn't have it there.
Yeah.
And she told me that you drink the wine boxes a lot. So I was like, okay, well I'm gonna go to the HEB. I know for sure they'll have it there. But she said they have more flavor and stuff, and I told her I don't really know anything about wine.
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
So she was like, I was like, okay, I'll get something like this for me and her tonight. So I got that, and then I got this, and then I was looking around for the flowers section a long time because I didn't like the ones at CVS. And then I was like looking around. At first, I was like, do y'all have anything like blue, like ocean color? But they didn't have anything like that. The first thing they had was purple, and I was like, nah. So I just like kept on browsing, and then I seen those. And I don't know, they just popped out for me. They were like orangish color.
They're pretty,
I liked them,
yeah.
you know? And they were like, asked the lady, what are these? She was like, these are carnations. These are actually my personal favorite, even though she could have just been hustling me.
Yeah,
Like,
but still, they're really
them.
pretty. I like those
them.
better than roses. Yeah.
And then I told Victoria that I was like, I got her those. I didn't want to get a rose because I felt like it was too cliche. Like, so I didn't get that. And then I was like, after that, it was like, I probably finished up at HEB around 3. I also got your card at HEB too. I was standing there looking for cards for a minute. And I stumbled across that one because that first part just reminded me of it.
It does, because I'm always cold and you're always hot. And then even like the one's spicy Mexican, the other one's Chinese.
Yeah. All that stuff. I was like,
Don't call
that's
me
me and my
there,
buddy.
because I'll say, nope, that's you. And it's funny because it says Kush, and then it says Bet, right? That's what it says?
I had to edit it up a little bit.
Thank you, literally, for everything. You're my better. And that made me cry. Before I even like opened up anything else,
Well,
that
that's
like,
a good cry then.
yeah, it was a good cry.
And then I walked. By this time, I was like, I tried to fit the roses in my backpack because I was like, damn, like, I know I'm gonna just look like that nigga. Like, they want to post me on Twitter and shit. Nigga walking on the street with the roses in his hand. And like, I'm in my gym clothes, like, KDs, basketball shorts, a hoodie. Like I have my hoodie on because I'm like I don't want people to just like look at me and just make fun of me and stuff. And then I fit everything that I could in my backpack, and then the roses I tried to put them in there, but they were sticking out. And as I was walking, like they kept on like kind of falling. And I was like, okay, fuck that. I'm gonna just take them in my backpack, and then I started carrying them. And I carried them from HEB. I walked all the way to El Gordo.
I'm like, babe, what the fuck?
And I got to El Gordo like at 3:30, like an hour early, because I told them I would pick up my order around 4:30. Because I was already walking, I was like, well, shit, I'll just get there early. And I went and got there, and they were like, young? And I was like, yeah, I know I ordered at 4:30, but, you know, I was just walking. And they see me that I was sweating and stuff, and I was holding the flowers, and they were like, they told their kids that they could make it now, so I sat there. And then my phone, at this time, my phone was on 1% the whole time. That's why I didn't text you back when you were I think you said something. I was after you said, how's your day going? I didn't reply for a minute. I was like, shit, my phone won't die. And I was going to try to get an Uber or something, but I forgot, like, my shit just wasn't downloading and shit, so I was like, fuck, I'm going to just end up walking. And so, after they finished the tacos, I got the taco plate and I had the flowers, and I'm literally, like, walking out, like, from El Gordo, like, all the way here. Like, with tacos in my hand,
You're the best,
and the flowers, and everyone's, like, a whole bunch of cars are passing by me, and I'm just like, I don't know, I feel like nervous, kind of like, and just like scared, kind of. Not scared, but just kind of like people were just like, I don't know, I just feel like people were just like, you know, this nigga are just laughing at me or something like that.
Fuck them.
No, I'm not really tripping like that. I passed by this one mechanic shop, and there was this guy, and he was like pulling out the mechanic shop, and he was like smiling, like laughing, and then I was like, I started laughing too. I was like, what's up? He was like, gotta find a way or something. Find a way or something. And I was like, shit, hell yeah, bro, gotta find, you know, whatever. And he kept going, and I just kept walking. And I was just like, damn, like, I wish this walk to the house was like quicker. I was like, I'm tired of seeing all these cars passing by, these people like looking at me. I'm like, damn, I feel weird. And then as I'm walking, like I'm getting close, like I'm already passing the villas, like, and I'm about to like get close to like Bowers. Yeah. And this guy rolls up next to me, and he pulls down his window, and he's like, hey man, you want to ride?
Oh, that's so sweet.
And I was like, shit, yeah, bro, if you don't mind. And so, shit, I hopped in the ride, and he was like, damn man, you better than me, like you walking like everywhere. And I was like, yeah, bro. I was like, I'm carless at the moment. Like my car got totaled. Hopefully, I'll be getting my car this weekend and stuff like that. But I was like, yeah, just try to do something for my girlfriend, you know, on my day off or whatever. And she was just like, damn, that's what's up. And I asked him, you know, like if he went to Sam. He told me his name was Trey.
Shout out to Trey.
He was a senior, or he graduated too, and I told him I just graduated. He told me he worked for the YMCA, and I told him I have a degree in kinesiology. He was like, we're actually hiring right now, bro. And so I got his number, and he dropped me off. And yeah, I'm here now.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna give you more kisses, and I've been giving you kisses. But babe, thank you so much. You really don't have to do this. And all I'm giving you is shoes.
I love shoes though.
I know, but still, baby, we went above and beyond. And my dad. But mine, you've always, like, every Valentine's Day that we've spent together, like, you've always, like, gone all out. Like, I remember the Valentine's Day, when we lived at the Connections. And I just remember, like, and I had, like, on Time Hop, it reminded me today, like, when I had got up to go pee really fast, I was like, I had just got up, and then I just remember looking to my left, and there was a whole bunch of stuff, like, on the counter. Yeah, and I was like, when did you do this? And you're like, when you were asleep last night? And I was like, what the fuck? And he's still, like, I was gonna say, you didn't,
Walgreens was right there, wasn't that far, but this time, like, I walked at least, like, 3-4 miles.
Yeah.
At least 3-4 miles today, like.
Across town.
After I had already got my workout in the morning.
Damn, babe. It's beautiful, it's perfect. And I can't wait to wear the shorts. I went to his job, and like I was just like, these shorts are really, really cute. And I was just saying it, like, I wasn't saying, like, trying to hint anything. And then, here he is. But I'm gonna be wearing the shorts so much in the summer. Because I've been needing some new Nike shorts. Ooh, they have pockets! Has pockets.
You getting more with your shoes?
You could do the splits. Right? That's what I was thinking. That'd be cute as fuck.
You wear them with the gray shirt, that, your shoes.
That'd be cute.
Your black hat.
Nike out.
Nike, we don't do Adidas. Let us
know. Which ones? You have some?
G?
Huh? Oh yeah. I forget.
Them.
Yeah, you don't really wear them, so I forget that you have them. You wanna show? Kush?
Yeah, my sister said to send her a video.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready. It took a long time, so whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I feel like you still remember. Pull it back just a little bit. I feel like it's like focused on your head. No, it's fine. It's just funny because we're like really here, like. Okay, what if I like pushed it right there? I don't even know if it's focused. Okay, come closer a little bit and like straight. Okay, wait. Okay, go down because okay, you can kind of see a heart there.
Right.
Yeah. God, that took forever.